Day, bro. You see market how it went because there were no good news on the market, but market also move a little bit. You understand?
Okay.
So not that the market didn't move, the market moved a little bit, which it was also good. You understand? Not that good, but at least the market did what it needed to do. So that's for that. So today, like today, the forestry they don't work. Not that they don't work, they still work, but it does not move. You understand? It stopped already. So
Okay.
let me clean off my draw. And like I said the other day, the last time we had class together, I told you about how market candlesticks move. You understand? Times you might be on the, it might be uptrending or it might be downtrending. Then what you need to do to understand the market is this: you have to also understand where we have support and resistance. Like I said before, remember I told you resistance is at the top where the last candlestick ended, at the top. Like this one is our resistance. Here's our resistance. Here resistance, 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 resistance. Then here we have support at the under. Support, support,
Okay.
support, 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 so on and so forth. And remember I told you, like, previous resistance can form new support. You understand? How does that work?
Okay.
How does that work? Like, for example, now, if I have to talk about this now, here we have here we have resistance. You can see. So let me bring
Yes.
out something so that you can be seeing them very clear. So let me use this. Here we have a resistance, as you can see here. You can see here is resistance, right? Then we also
Yeah.
have another resistance right here. You understand? So there is something you need to understand right now. You see these two resistance, at the end of the day, what did they do here? They form support right here. You understand?
Yes.
So this is one thing you need to pay attention to. Just to make it easier, you just put on your what is it called, the horizontal line. You see, it will give you all you want. You understand? Let me remove this and the other one. So we don't need this anymore. Okay, so as you can see right now, here is support, those here is resistance, then here we have support. It created another support, and we have this. There are many in the market, there are much in the market. And also remember, not just that, resistance can also resist market, support can also support market to start buying up. Remember, resistance makes the market comes down, while the support makes the market goes up. So
So,
there's something you need to understand about all this. It's pretty simple. You understand? Like I said, I told you the other day, forex trading is simple, and forex trading is hard for who don't apply the knowledge. That's the reason why I always say people, you guys have to go for a mentorship, have to go for the lesson, you have to understand what you guys are doing on the market. Learn from people that have been in this game for so long. So, like as I was saying before, let me show you another support that form another support again. What this market did, I will explain it to you. Okay, let me use this one. There is one support we have right here, support, then we form resistance, then the resistance now became another support. So like here right now, as you can see, let me draw my trend line, as you can see. So if you look at this trend line that I just drew right now, look here, we have support. You understand? Then in this place we have resistance. So what happened to this place? Here we have support.
support.
What does that mean?
Support.
Okay, support, resistance, then support. So you see how this market bought,
Yeah.
it buy for a very long time. And for example, if you put on this trend line, you can make it bigger, you can draw it up to this place so that you have a clue on the market. So as you can see right now, you see how this market bought, it buy for a very long time. You understand? So like that trend line right now that I put there, I will draw another one that will also give you another idea on the market. You understand? Which is I'm going to draw right here like this. You understand? So like this one right now, in our next by 12 o'clock, 11 o'clock on Sunday, which is tomorrow, when market will open, this is where we are going to look up to right now. Because this market, we are going to look up to this market at least for the first movement. Maybe this market will do retracement and touch this line, like it has already touched the line. Maybe it will touch again before we start buying, or when the market will open, the market will just start buying because it has already given us a good sign of buying. You understand? Okay, when you look at this this trend line that I drew here, you can also see that market reject right here. It also rejected right
Yes.
here, rejected right here. So what is the market did? It came to touch this place. Then before it started buying another. So this is another setup for a buy, as you can see right here. You understand? And
Yes.
this one also did the same thing. Let's say this market, if this market cross this line, break this structure right here. You understand? Break of structure. Well, for example, if this market break this structure, it started coming down. Where is the next place you are going to wait for the market? You wait for the market right here. You understand? You wait for the market right here. This is where you wait for the market. The next place you wait for the market. You understand? I will just leave that big one there. You understand? Why should you wait for the market right here, for example? Because we have resistance right here. You understand? We have resistance right here. You see, we have resistance and resistance. So if this market cross here, then this market is coming down to touch this place. So at least this is a good setup for us to sell also. You understand? Remember, when you are on forex trading, don't always go with one mindset. You understand? Have plan A and plan B. You understand? Remember, I told you before the other day. You understand? Have plan A and then plan B. Why am I saying this? Because if you are going for a buy, if you are going for a buy and the market revises buy, what are you going to do? Are you not going to follow up with the market at the end of the day? You understand? So what are you going to do? Before you follow up with the market, be very sure that the market give you a good sign that it's going to be a sell. You understand? Don't run after candlesticks. Don't say because the market is selling, you just don't, you hit, you start selling. No, because market do one thing you need to understand. Market do this. One market might be selling or might be buying. Then it will buy up, it will come down again. It will buy up again, it will come down. At times, market does that. At times, when you have a good news, that is why we work with fundamental analysis. You understand, which is very important. So fundamental analysis, what does it do? It helps us to understand when the next news on the impact of the market is going to come out. You understand? So because all these things are connected together, like I said the other day. Go ahead.
You see the first structure you drew on the top. It has like three supports, like where the market is going.
Which one are you talking about? This one, this line?
Yes. No. The first one.
This
the pink one.
This one.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. On where the market has reached. You see, it has like three supports.
This one are you talking about?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, you have a support here. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
So if the market breaks that structure,
Yeah.
meaning it's going to sell, right?
Yeah, that is what I'm saying. That is what I told you before. Like for example, if this market break this structure and start coming down, that means this market has already broken this structure. Then what are you going to do? Are you going to dive in like that? No. That is why I told you before, don't run after candlesticks. So what are you going to do? I will advise you, because we are on 15 minutes time frame, then you go back to 4-hour time frame. Why will you go back to 4-hour time frame? To see what you have in the past. You understand?
Okay.
For example, right now, this is where you see the market is trying to break the structure right here, as you can see. So right now, if we draw this draw line. Sorry, okay, let me take it down a little bit. If we drew like I draw this line right now, so you can see, so like this market is trying to break this structure to start selling, or same time it can also be for a buy, because which I said before, go with a two mindset, plan A and plan B. Then on a 4 hour, on 4 hours, you can see, so it will give you a lot to see on the market. You understand? The market might respect this one. If it doesn't respect this one, you can also watch out for all these ones, which is also good. That's the reason why we have multiple time frame. So multiple time frame will also give you a sign. We also let you know what the market has done for the past, the structure we have for the past, the support and resistance that we have for the past. You see, the longer you increase the bigger you increase your time frame, the bigger you will see the past tense of the market. You understand? So now you can see the past of the market, now what the market has done. So for you to get this understanding, you just have to go back to bigger time frame. If you go on 1 day time frame, it will give you another sign. You see, so on 1 day time frame now, look at what it gave us. So we are up to here. So if you follow up with this line right now, you see, it will also give you a sign here. You understand? So after that, you go back again to the time frame you like using to trade. Like me, I like using 15 minutes. You understand? Then I zoom in again for me to see everything clear. So now I understand what I'm looking for right now. So you understand? So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to dive in the market just like that, because I think that the market is trying to sell, because there is no confirmation that this market is selling right now. You understand? There is no confirmation, and same thing, there is no confirmation that this market is going to be a buy. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to relax myself before jumping into the market. I will just relax myself and do what I need to do. You understand? So what am I going to do? I'll wait for the market, because we still have our support here that are not yet broken. So I will just wait. So for me to dive into this market, I will have what we call what is it called, confirmation zone. So how am I going to do that? Let's say, for example, because I'm not going for a bigger time frame now to analyze this market, this is just a smaller time frame, which is 15 minutes. So what am I going to do now? After I have seen this market is giving me a sign, I won't just dive into the market like I told you. Then I'll bring out my long position, because remember, I'm buying. So I will say, okay, I will let this market to get up to this place before I will jump into the market. You understand? This is my long position, which I'm going to we use for a buy. Then I'll put my stop loss at this under of where we have support. Then I will increase my take profit. I will take my take profit up to this place. Remember, I told you, don't always put your take profit at the end where you have a resistance. If you are buying, don't always put, you see, as you can see right now, I didn't put my take profit right here. I put it up to this place. Why do I put it there? I put it there because I want my take profit to be taken before the market get to where we have our last resistance, so that from there we just take my profit. I will be out of the market immediately. Then another thing you need to watch out for, remember, we have this structure right here. You understand? We have this structure right here, which is our resistance also. Why, if this market started buying and get to our next our confirmations, because we have resistance right here and also resistance right here. So the reason why I put my entry right here, my confirmation zone for entry, because we have structure here. This one might also revise the market. You understand? Because if you look at this place revise this market, it pull back, same as this one. Why did this market pull back right here? You understand? We have our resistance right here, which this other one, let me put a trend line so that you see the reason why it pulled back. You see, so it pulled back because of this our resistance. You see, the market resisted a long time. It got here, the resistance became a support. It buy a little bit, then it came back again. Then we have resistance right here. Then you remember the market revised back here. So we also have another place where the market revised back, which is here, as you can see. So you see, so here we have support. Here we have resistance. then the market also revise back from here. So what am I going to do? Am I going to jump in like that? No, because I will let the market to get into my my what is it called, my confirmation zone.
Initial resistance.
Yeah, yeah, resistance, initial resistance, where yeah, then my confirmations or whatever. Then you can also, like, there are a lot of people, they like entering the market like this. They don't like wasting time, because the moment market pull back, they will jump into the market. Okay, what will make them jump into the market? I will also explain that to you. This is another thing you need to understand. Okay, let's say for example, the market is it started buying. You understand? Because what will make them jump into the market, that's what I'm explaining right now. If you look at this candlestick, you see this one, this market, a lot of buyers, they push this candlestick back. Then at the end of the day, what happened when they got here? Then the market started buying, then it pushed back again. Then here we have a engulfing candlestick. Then we have this one also engulfing candlestick, or you can call this hammer, but it's that little, no problem. So the market sell down again. So when the market sold down, as the market sell up to this place, look at what happened. It opened this candlestick again, because these two candlesticks a good sign of buying. But the market came back, then it rejected, then it started buying. So a lot of people will use this one as a better confirmation, because market has rejected a lot of time. So this candlestick, what people will do is this, because a lot of people like using full candlesticks like this one now, because this is the last candlestick we had yesterday. So look at what happened. You see, this candlestick ended with full candlestick at the top. You understand? Let me zoom it out a little bit so that you understand. You see, the candlestick ended with full candlesticks. Everything is full at the top, as you can see. So with the next one now, probably, because we can't say, but we can only hope. So probably due to what we know, due to the knowledge that we apply on it, because a lot of people will say, okay, since this candlestick is full, with the next one is going to pop up, so they will just dive into the market. They will just say, okay, no problem, anything can happen on forex market. They will bring their what is it called, their entry level down. Why? Because with this, the next candlestick, if it works the way they predict it, boom, before it will go here, because the candlestick will be very new. You understand? Maybe the candlestick will buy up to this place, for example. What will happen if the candlestick buy up to this place? The candlestick will do something like this. It will do something like this, due to my prediction. It will touch this place, it will come down and revise or pull back a little bit and do something like this. You understand? Maybe it will go up, or it will do this again. Another candlestick will come out again, because we have a resistance right there. It will do something like this. Then the next thing, boom, the market will start buying. You understand? This one thing you need to watch out for. Is very important. Why this movement? You have to understand that we have a resistance right here. This market will not just come out and start buying like that. No. So it will pull with the next one. Sorry, let me take it to this side. With the next candlestick, boom, market will bow to this place. This resistance will reject it back. Boom, boom, boom. That is the reason why I put my entry zone right here before. But with this one, you have already catch up with a little pips. Then boom, 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 market will start buying up. You understand? So that is another way you need to understand the market. I won't lie to you, bro. If you apply knowledge on forex trading, you will make you will understand it. Forex trading is not that hard if you apply knowledge. Follow the risk management, follow technical analysis, follow fundamental analysis, then apply psychology. Emotions will come in and all that. Then, like I said before, risk management is very important, so which we will talk about next week. So the reason why I'm still talking about this, right, because today is your second day of getting technical analysis, which is very important. Then remember, bro, we have our stop loss number, which is with our long position and our short, or is it short position? Let me see. Okay, with our long position and our short position, remember, long position is for buying, while short position is for sell. With our long position and our short position, we will have our stop loss, our entry zone number, then our take profit. You understand? So this line that I put here, why did I put this line here? Also remember, you have to also understand the market, how the market moves. You understand? Like I tell you, because market move with structures and move with resistance, support, and all that. So why did I put this one right here? Because this place we have resistance. Let me zoom in so that you see this resistance right here. It came here and it did the same thing. Same thing here, same thing here. How many places do we have resistance before this market started buying? After this one, we have one here, which is not up to here. Okay, 2, 3, 4. You understand? So at the end of the day, look at what the market did. This resistance right here, this resistance, what did it do? It came to this place. What did it give us? A support. You understand? Resistance, resistance, resistance. It became a support here.
Support.
You understand? Like I told you before, remember I told you, I say resistance can become a support. And remember, a support can become a resistance. You understand? Like it will do something like this. This is resistance. This is support. You understand? And remember, no, sorry, this is resistance. This will become a support. You understand?
Okay.
Resistance, support, same thing also. So remember, resistance, support also can also become a resistance. You understand? So that is how it works. So after this one, let's go back. Let's analyze this market in proper way. This is just the simplest way to analyze market. Why do I analyze this market this way? Because this market, we are already here. Before this market we do any other thing, this way is going to play a little bit. Because remember, market always do the same thing: buy or sell. You understand? Buy or sell. And there's another thing you need to watch out for on the market. Let me go to Us30. You see there's something we have: double bottom and double top. You understand? And we also have I've told you this one the other day. We also have what we call what is his name, head and shoulder. You understand? Remember I told you. So this market, look at what this market did right here. It give us a double bottom. A double bottom is for buy. Let me draw it so that you will see what I'm telling you about. You see this one, it touches, go back, touches, go back, it touches,
buy.
So you see what I'm talking about? This is double bottom. Yeah. This is double bottom. If I bring it out now, you see it will write W. You see, double bottom. Why do we call it double bottom? You have 1, 2 bottom. This is double bottom. And remember, you can flip this, it will become double top. Then we also have head and shoulder also. You understand? We also have head and shoulder. Head and shoulder is pretty simple. Then double bottom, we also have double bottom right here. Because market will always give you double bottom as much as this market is trending. Look at what I'm talking about right now. Look. We have this one here. Come on there. We have this one here, this double bottom here. You will see, because if you are not careful, if you don't understand this sign, it will make you lose. Look at this double bottom: 1, 2, 3, here. You see, look at this double bottom. It's another one. And double bottom is pretty simple if you know how to draw a trend line. Look at, for example, it's very important to know how to draw a trend line. Look at this trend line right now. If you put it right here, is it not the same thing that this market did here? Is it not the same thing that it did here? Because like I told you the other day, market always do the same thing. Okay, thanks. Allora, enough. Why did this one off? Cancel. My network. Come on. What makes this one to off? Come on, don't be stupid, don't be silly. Okay, let's connect again. Zoom. Bro, I'm sorry, my My phone went off before. I don't know what happened. The phone I used to connect the network. Are you there with me, bro? Hello? Can you hear me? Okay, let me wait for him to come online. Bro, what is happening?
I don't know. You just.
Yeah, my network went off before. Click on the link again. My network went off before.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on. Don't have time to waste. Forex market is pretty simple, guys. Apply knowledge, apply wisdom. Bet you're going to get it. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. After 10 minutes, click on the link again.
Okay.
So there's something I want to show you now. A lot of double bottom on the market. You understand? So let's see another like 2 or 3 other double bottom. You will understand what I'm talking about. Look at this place. Yeah, we have double bottom here. What is this? 1, 2, 3. Boom. You see the way the market started buying there. So another place, if you look very well, we still have another one. Much. Look at what the market did there. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. You see? Just be watching what I'm doing right now. How many have I drew now? Look at another one here, right here. 1, 2, 3. Boom. You see? How many have I drew? Look at another one. You understand? Market always work. Do the same thing. 2, 3. Boom. You see? How many double button is this now? You see the way this is US30. It has a lot of double bottom. And do you know that US30 is my favorite pair? And a lot of people, they don't trade it because it has a lot of because US30 has a lot of volatile on the market. You understand? So he wants to see another double bottom again. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. Another one. Another double bottom again. So let me just do this last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bro, how many double bottom do we have here? As you can see, we have 1,
Plenty.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's zoom. Let me go to a bigger time frame. Then I will also teach you another thing. US30. The reason why I like trading US30 is this. US30 always give a lot of double bottom for a buy. You understand? A lot. It's just what you need. You just have to understand how it works. Okay, let me show you another double bottom here. You see? 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. You see? Double button. You want to see another double button again? I will show you. You understand? You always give. Look at it. US30. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. You see, US30 work with a double button a lot. Look at that one here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. That is how US30 work. And this is the reason why I like trading US30. A lot of people don't know this. So let's analyze another market before any other thing. Let's analyze another market before any other thing. Then I will send you a video on how to use MT5. So right now, let's say we want to analyze this market. So what am I going to look for? I go for 4-hour time frame. Let's say a day time frame, or let's say on Monday, if I want to analyze market, I will just go to 1 week time frame. 1 week time frame will give me something like this. You understand? So what am I seeing on the market? I'm seeing buy. We are on the buy side. So after this, now I'll go to I'll go to 1 day time frame. 1 day time frame will give me something. 4-hour time frame. From 4 hours time frame, I will start analyzing. So where am I going to look up to? If I'm buying, I'm going to let this market to be my lower support. Sorry bro, I'm coming. So if I'm buying, I'm going to let this one to be my lower support, the lowest support. You understand? We are on 4-hour time frame. So after this, I will draw out my higher resistance at the market right now, which is the actual market. So this is my higher resistance. You see? So what am I going to get on the 4-hour time frame, where I can take out my support and my resistance? So after that, because at the end of the day, when I zoom in, the market is going to be a little bit maybe this place it will be down at the downside, which is my resistance. Then after this, I'll go to 1-hour time frame. You see, 1-hour time frame will give me something like this. So what am I going to draw out? Here we have another support, right? Then I will just draw it out, because it's very important. You have to have a clue on the market, understand how the market gives signs. So now I have my another of my support. So what am I going to look for again now? I'll go because I don't have much to do here anymore. Because me, bro, like me, I'm a forex trader. I don't draw that much. The only draw I draw just the straight line. Why? I don't use this other line or this or that. Why do I use it? I keep it simple, because market move with just go up and down. So that is the reason why I just draw out my straight line. You understand? Then after this, because I don't have much to do on this one now, because we're already close to the market. So now on this place, we are on 30-minute time frame now. 30-minute time frame now give me this view preview. So what am I going to do? I'll just bring out my tools. We have another support right here. I'll just mark it out. Bro, please, if you're analyzing market, don't neglect anything. You understand? Don't neglect anything. This is what is giving me winning position. You understand? So I always use 15-minute time frame to finish analyzing my market. So there's other place that I need to bring out. So I will just say you can bring this one out on 30-minute time frame. You can also draw this one out on a 15-minute time frame. So I will put it here, and remember, I will show you something right now for you to be seeing where you have everything, because when you are moving your mask always tell you where you are actually. You understand? If you look at my mask, you see we have one line at the straight, then we have one line that crosses. So if I move my mask, I always see where to, if I place, even if I'm at this place, I can place my mask and I will still see the line. Can you see the line?
Yes.
So I will also see the line. So from there now, I will go to 15-minute time frame. So 15-minute time frame now, which I have my this thing right here. I have my support. This is my lower support. I think so. Yeah. This is my lower support. Then I have another support. Then I have resistance here and another bigger resistance. So what am I going to looking for on the market? So I will be waiting for this market either for it to come and do retest here, bro. I'll wait for this market to come and do retest here, or do a pullback and touch this place. So if this market touches this place, because we have resistance here, no, sorry, we have support here. If it touches this place, then I will bring out my, what's it called, my long position, because I'll be looking for a buy. You understand? Let me say, for example, after the market touches, I will get in somewhere here, for example. Because the market has not gotten there, so I can't really tell you now where I will put my confirmation zone, because I won't just, if this market touch, if this market touches this our resistance, it's not that does not mean that I'm going to get in the trade immediately. I'm not going to force myself to get in the trade. I'll wait a little bit, because most of the time market always give you sign, give a lot of candlestick before we start buying. Let's say, okay, for example, it touches this place, then I'll put my what is it called, my entry zone at the top a little bit, because I will want my some of my candlestick to give me a full candlestick to cover the little candlesticks, which the range candlestick, which are the candlestick that used to give me a setup. I will let the candlestick to cover it before I will get in the market. So, well, let's say, for example, the market gets here, getting, this is where I will be taking my first profit at this place. Then my second take profit will be at this place. You understand? So it's very simple. That is how you analyze market. You don't analyze much. So remember, bro, you always go back to fundamental analysis, which everything is already in place. If I come back to this place right now, I click on this place, then click on this place, where is it? My fundamental analysis right here. I click on it. I have it already. If I click here today, I will just go to Monday, which is Sunday, Monday 20. So I will apply filter. So from here I will understand, okay, on Monday, November 20th, we have this news at 2:15 a.m. So am I going to be trading this one? That is, maybe, probably I might be asleep then, so maybe I might trade it, because market open around 11-12 o'clock. Then it has other 2 hours to settle down. Then when this market pumping this news, probably it's going to give me a little profit. Because why? In this market, because we have this impact is the second impact. Yeah. Okay, let me wait for him to come in again. Come on. Okay, let's go there. Yeah. Okay. Can you hear me, bro? Bro, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
So, like I said before, oh, thank you very much. Thank you. So, like I said before, if you look at this market, remember I told you the most impact we have on the market is this red one and this brown one. This yellow one, they don't have much impact on the market. So let's say, for example, if this market come out, this news come out after like 30 minutes time, it will give me 30 minutes or 45 minutes time. That's when I like getting into the market after news. After 30 minutes, because I use 15 minutes time frame, I always use kind like 1 2 3 4 candlesticks. Then it will not give another direction, which is the best. And remember, this market, we have it on 2 a.m. You understand? 2 a.m. You understand? 2 a.m., which is 2:15 a.m. in the morning. Then if this market, they read this market, the actual came out, then after about 30 minutes or 20 or 45 minutes are getting, look what this market will do. At that time, if this market take a position, it will now be going to that position. Let's say it's buying. If this market started buying, because why would this market take one position? It will take one position because this news that we have on the market does not have much impact. So after about like 40 minutes, 30 minutes, the market will start buying. When the market start buying, it will buy. It will not be fast, so it will be buying slowly and steady, because that time the session we are is very slow. Then we take you to session. We show you how you will see trading session. Then what time do we have another news again? Okay, go ahead.
You see, with the Forex factory, you see where there's currency.
This place, right?
Yes, you see the currency over there, no? when you analyze it here, and then maybe it's an euro to USD, that means you're going to trade euro to USD on the trading view or like on any forex page.
Yeah, you can choose any pair you want to choose. Let me tell you something about forex trade. Forex trade news, because me, I have some pairs that I like trading. You understand? I will not dive into all that pairs because of the news. This news came out for this pair. Like this pair right now, this is CNY. I think it's something that related to China. No, you understand? If you click on it, you will see the details. You understand? So this is not that a pair. It's about China. No, interest rate at which a commercial bank lend to household and businesses. You understand? Like I said before, if you come down here, we tell you everything. Say this is a what is it? What did he say? Benchmark loading rate set by the People Banks of China. You see? Like I said before, it's China banks loan, etc., etc. Like as it's written here. I think 1 year loan prime rate, 5 years loan prime rate. So you understand. So this one does not have anything to do with any pair. This is not talking about one pair specifically. So this one is talking about loan. In China is loan, but it will this news will affect market. But there's one thing about this news that I like about this news, because it's 2 a.m. which means that market at 2 a.m. does not move that much. And one thing about them, if they are able to take one position, they will just be going to that position slow and steady. They are not moving fast. So that is one of the reasons why I would like to trade this news on Monday morning. I will trade this news on Monday morning. Then after this news, remember, these other news have no impact on the market. Then this 7:45 p.m. 7:45 p.m. That means we'll have a good time with this one. I will trade this news. Maybe what I'm going to do, if I trade this news, then I will not trade again. You understand? We just after around 4 or 5 o'clock, I will just sleep. Then I wake up whenever I like. That day is done, because Monday, most especially Monday, does not have a good news on the market most of the time. That is one thing about Mondays. A lot of forex traders don't even trade on Monday. Like Monday and Friday, a lot of forex traders don't trade. So that is that. Then how do you know the session you are on the market? We have I think 3 type of popular session that we have. I think London, UK. Is it London, UK, and Tokyo, for example? Let's go. How do you know that? I think you comes to market. The market, I think so. Yeah, market. You click on market, then you scroll down. You also have it on your phone. Come on. Yeah, this is it. Okay, we have 12 sessions. So we have Sweden. Is it Sweden or Cindy? Then Tokyo, London, and New York. So for example now, this market closed by 10 p.m. which is yesterday on Friday. So I think this market will open in a Cindy session. I think so. Or London session. I can't remember. I think Swindy started here. Look at it because it's a PM. So market is going to be open by 11:12 p.m. So it's still on Sweden, because this Cindy and Tokyo, they are very slow, because this most time those people they are awake, but other, which is London and UK, they are asleep then. You see? I don't know, something like that. So at the end of the day, if you think about it, London and the New York session are the most volatile market that we have. You understand? So these are the session that we have. It's always on your this thing. What is it called? Your Forex Factory. So if you are in Canada, then you go to market, it will bring it out for you. We see everything. So let's go back to trading view. Like I said before, if this market get to my confirmation, so I shoot, boom, market will start buying. And that news, I will trade that. After that news, I will trade that day, which is a Monday in the morning. So imagine if you got this trade, boom, then this place is going to be your first take profit. Then why here will be your second take profit. You are okay. Bro, if you are able to cover up this plate, if you are able to cover up this place in one trade in a day, bro, let's say for example, this is US30. US30 has the biggest volatile on the market. Let's say for example, you enter this market, go to this place for you, bro. You enter with, let me say, 2 lot size. Maybe first one lot size, the second one another lot size, which is 2 position. You enter, bro. Do you know how much you make from here to this place? It will be up to, due to what I'm saying. How many pips is this? Let's measure the pips. Don't worry, bro. We'll get there where we teach you pips and the lot size. So I think we have let me take it up again. We have 18,800. We have 18,714 pips. That is massive, bro. If you are able to hit this one, bro, you are all done for the day. You are done. Our Monday market is very strange, like I said before. So, bro, market is not that hard to analyze. So let's go to another pair again, just for me to teach you another day before we round up. Then you ask question if you have question to ask. So like this one right now, like if I want to analyze this market, let me just go to 4 hour. I don't like wasting much time, So on 4 hour, we also tell you we're on the buy side. So if you want to go back to day, you go to day, daily time frame. Daily time frame, we still tell you is buying. If you want to go 1 week, we tell you, okay, the market is still buying. Then I will just go back to 4 hours because I've started watching before. Then on my 4 hours, like I said before, I take my drawing tools. I bring out my lowest support. You understand? So my lowest support is there. Then I bring my tools out. I hit my
highest resistance.
Higher resistance. Bravo. Then I'll set it very well. Then go to 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame will give me this. So what am I looking for again? I'll just hit my here we have resistance, as you can see. I will hit this one, this resistance. You understand? Then I'll hit. Then we have what is it called, support right here. We have support. I will also hit this support. You understand? I hit the support here. Okay, so now we are still on 1 hour time frame, right? Then I'll go to 30-minute time frame. 30-minute time frame will give me something like this. You understand? So 30-minute time frame will give me something like that. So I see what I'm looking for. So what are other things I need to focus on? I'm not yet done. So we still have another place we need to draw out. Here, remember, we have resistance right here. You understand?
Yes.
We have this resistance.
Yes.
We have to pay attention to this resistance. Then we just drew it out. Then we also, where this market is right now, it's a good place for us to like think of what to do, because where this market is right now, it can sell at it is right now. Okay, boom. Then I take off my this thing bound. So now I'll go to my 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame will give me something like that. Look at it. This market is about to pass through this our resistance. You understand? So I'm just going to draw my line just for me to have a good sign. I'll take it up to this place. So before I will jump out into this market, what am I going to do? I'm not going to jump immediately. Then I will bring out, look, because I'm looking for a sell right here. Then I will come to my short position. I will put my short position right here. Okay, why did I put it right there? We explain to you. Then our stop loss at the top. Remember, when you are selling, your stop loss will be at the top. When you are buying, your stop loss will be at the under. Then I will just take my, let me say for example, I don't want to be staging right here. I will just put my take profit here, for example, or you can just take it, aim it to this place. Okay, let's take it to this place. Fine. Then before I will get into this market, I want this market to break this place a little bit, get to my confirmation zone before I will get in, because it has already given us a sign that it's selling. Then I'll let it to break this place, get into my position, my entry position a little bit. Then before I will start enter a little bit, then before I started selling. So if I enter sell, my first take profit will be here. Then my second take profit will be here. Or my first take profit will be here. My second take profit will be here. Let me just leave it here and here. You understand? I'm done with analyzing this market. You see how simple it is? I don't make it simple. Make it look.
Okay. So why did you choose to sell here, but not to buy?
You don't always think of buying, you understand. You can also sell, market buy and sell, but there are some people they like buying more than sell, while there are some they like selling more than buy. Let me tell you also, you have to also understand what the market movement is. It is, you understand, because most of the time there are some markets when they are buying, their buying side will be much bigger than selling, which this market is doing now. Look at this buying side is bigger, but the sell side, they sell with a lot of is it bearishing or bullishing, you understand, because I always get confused using that word bearishing or bullishing, because use one at going down, use one at going up. I always get confused. I wouldn't like to, ever since I've been in trading, I always get that confused, you understand. So probably the reason why I'm going for a sell, I will tell you, because look, bro, we have a resistance right here. You look at this resistance, and you look at this resistance right here. This market has already rejected back, and look at the long candlesticks already. So let's say when this market will get opened, what this market is going to do, probably this market has 70% chance of selling. Why? It has already given us these long candlesticks. So this market will get here. So what might revive this market back is this our resistance right here. What if this resistance does not reject the market back? What is it going to happen? You understand? Something will happen. What is that? The market will start selling. So that is the reason why. I said I'm going for a sell, because like I told you before, market forex market always give us the possibility to understand everything that we needed. But what do you need? You need to apply wisdom. You need to apply the wisdom and the knowledge. You understand? That is the reason why I told you the other day, if you don't do the needful, you won't make money on forex market. So you asked me a very good question. You said, why am I selling instead of buying? You understand? That was what your question is. Why am I selling? So I just answer your question. Like now, we have resistance, support right here. Look at this support. But that is why from this line we have support here, we have resistance here. So meaning this market revised back because of this support we have. So that means this support right here right now is giving us a resistance. You understand? Then another thing you need to know, this our resistance give us another resistance right here. Then this support is reversing the market back. So this market is pulling back. So I'm going to wait for this market to break this our resistance. You understand? Because this resistance also give us support here, this little support here. So I will wait for this market to break this resistance. You understand? Because I have to set my trap and wait for the market to come in, because market will always do a lot of things. Like for example, what are those things that market will always do? Market will do something like this. You understand? Market will give you a lot of things that you don't expect on the market and same time. But if you set your trap, because this is one thing I always tell people, don't always rush and jump in. If you want to be a profitable trader, don't rush and jump into the market. You wait for the market to come before you enter. Set your trap, you wait. Let's say for example now, I cannot wait for this market to get here before I get in. What am I going to do? I told you the other day, I will set alarm. I'll click here, you look at it. I will come to my entry zone, I'll go up a little bit, I'll click. It will tell me add alert on GBP USD. I'll click, boom. You see my alert will come on. Look at it. Look at my alert is out. You see GBP crossing 1.24435. Then when this market crosses this my alert line, what will happen? Like I told you the other day, this market will send me TradingView will send me email, both on my PC will be ringing. Then on my phone it will also send me an email. You understand? My email will be ringing. You understand? So what am I going to do at the end of the day? I will just take out my phone. I will just go into the market and I'm short. I'm done. I'm already in the market. You understand? That is how you get in. So always set a trap, then you wait for the market to place in. And if the market goes your way, bro, you'll be at the winning side. So another thing that I want to share with you right now. Let's say for example, I'm going for a sell and this market gets here, it reverses back. What am I going to do? Am I still going to wait for the market? No, I will just relax and wait for the market to do whatever it wants to do. Don't rush. What am I going to do next? If this market revised back, it pulled back, it started buying again, probably this market has to break this place before the market will start buying. Why? Because we have our resistance right here. This market will come here, okay, it test, it revise, or it do retracement, it come back. Market will do something like this. Let me draw it for you. If this market wants to revise back, it will do something like this. For example, it will not your test and revise back. It will do something like this. Probably it will be giving you high up and lower down, something like that. You understand? Uptrending. You understand? Then if it's the market wants to buy, then you have to get to this place. You do something like this, boom, or finish up. You understand? Or if market does not do something like that, it will do something like this. Let me show you another thing market will do. If the market did not do something like that, it will do something like this. For the market not to waste time, I'm saying it will do something like this. It will touches here, or maybe it will pass it a little bit, go up, do something like this, go down, then to touch here because we have resistance right here, to do something like this, boom. Then another thing the market will do to get close to this point. If it will maybe the market will close up here, it will give us another candlestick. It will look like it wants to sell. It will do like this. Before you know it, boom. You understand? This is another way market also sell. Also buy. This is another way market also buy, because all this movement it uses to trend it up a little bit. Before you know it will close up with this place. Then it will give us another sign of a little bit of selling. Then it will revise back, boom, start buying. Then you're already in on the market. So that is how it works. Nothing else. So let me close this my alarm that I set. So any question, because we are about to round up.
I want to ask if like you can buy and sell at the same time.
The same currency?
Yes.
What is the reason why you want to buy and sell at the same time? You are trading against yourself. You are trading against yourself.
If I'm setting up my profit take and then my stop loss something, can I set up the buy one and then I'll set up the loss the sell one too at the same time, just to check whether the market is going to sell or it's going to buy?
No. Are you talking? There's one thing you can use to do that. Buy. You use a buy limit or sell limit. You use it down, then it might take one side. You understand? But I will tell you another thing. Another thing that I want to tell you is this. Bro, wait, I beg. What do you call me? Grandson. Hello? Around 8 now you talk. Oh. Now around 8 you tell me. Oh. Now around 8 in the morning, which time we do now? This one are 8 now. This one not be 8 now. This one almost 10 o'clock. Bro, you know the respect time. Oh.
I can't express my feelings.
Where you dey? No wahala. I very say let me open door for like Evans. I beg. So, bro, if you want to trade, I don't know if I understand what you are saying. If what I'm thinking that you are saying is this. Are you saying you want to buy and sell the same pair at the same time?
No, like if you are trying to analyze the whole thing, for now we are waiting for the line to cross our margin so that we can know, we should sell or we should buy. Yeah. So this one this one you just view is for sell. So can I draw another one for buy, just to know, if it buys, I'm doing this.
Okay, let's say for example, yes, you can place a buy on the top, because remember you put your entry zone at the at the stop loss of your sell. You understand?
Okay.
You can use it
This is
like
what
this
I want to
just for
know.
you to have a good preview on it. You do it like this, for example. I'm
Exactly.
just using this as an example. Then you take profit, you put it at this top here. It makes sense.
Now you're doing
Yeah, they come here, kneel down, they come. You understand? Then this one will be for your buy, while this will be for your sell. It's pretty simple. But I won't tell
Exactly.
you to jump in the market if you have already setting all these things. Don't jump in the market. You wait for the market to get to your entry zone before you enter. You understand? But there
Exactly.
are some people they can also enter from this place and another. But I will advise you always wait for it to come, because market does this. You might be buying, market will revise back, then it will go against you. So what are you going to do? You understand? So that is what you have to understand. And another thing, know how to analyze market. Follow the rules and regulation, which is fundamental analysis, technical analysis, risk management, psychology, emotion, and all that. So that you will be able to manage your account. It's very easy, bro. Like I said before, forex market, forex trade will give you a lot of money. You understand? And it can also take a lot of money from you. But our knowledge at the forex market is this, where a lot of forex traders got it wrong. Don't always focus on only making. You can also lose. But if you apply wisdom and knowledge, because market always give you signs. If the market is going to reject back or buying or selling, it will always give you sign. And always remember one thing, bro. If market is going against you and you are losing, you can leave the market or stop your stop loss. Wait for the market to hit your stop loss with a little bit of a loss, then you go again. You understand? Because there is one thing about, because it has happened to me several times. You understand? It has happened to me several times whereby I was so stubborn. The market goes against me. I was waiting, we reverse back, and money got lost and all that. So please pay attention. So any other question?
And then I wanted to know if maybe you try selling at this market
Yeah.
when it crosses the line,
Mm-hmm.
and then it bounce back. Are you going to lose money for that bouncing back and then start selling again?
Okay, let's say if I said you are already in profit.
Yes, and then it bounced back a little.
Mm-hmm.
Are you like, is it going to start deducting, or you can still wait till it's time recover again?
Yeah, this is it. If the market started selling, enter your confirmation zone, you enter, you're already in profit. Let me say the market gets to this place. Let me put this line. No, not long. Let me use this one. Let's say, for example, you enter, the market gets here, you're already in profit. The
Yes.
market gets
Yes.
here, then you pull back.
Yes.
You understand? Let's say the market gets to
Is that
the higher point, then you're already in profit of $200. Then it pulls back to the
okay?
middle here, then you will lose
Okay.
$100. You understand?
Okay.
You will
Okay.
lose $100, then you're not in profit of $100. Then if the market comes
Okay.
back again, you recover your money.
Okay. I understand. I understand.
Network. You understand? You recover your money. Then that is how forex trade always work like this. It goes up, come down, it goes up, it comes down, it goes up, it comes down. It does not take one position and started buying, except you have a good news. There are some news that will boost market will start buying. You understand? There are times you can use one candlestick and cover up from this place to this place if you have a good news. But without news, the market will be buying slow and steady. You understand? Pay attention to all this. It's very important. You are still new, so with time you will understand all this. You understand?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so that is for today. Then we see on Monday, right?
No, tomorrow.
No, tomorrow, no. No. So what you do is this. Tomorrow you yourself, you do analyzing yourself, you send it to me.
Okay.
Then I sent you a video the other day. Be watching that video. That video is very important.
Okay.
You understand? It's very important. And if you can consume that video, you will learn a lot from that video. You understand? If you can consume it. You are not doing anything today now. Tomorrow, you have time, you can watch. I'm not telling you to consume the video once. Just be watching the video little by little. Like the way, we read Rich Dad and Poor Dad. You understand? I believe you don't also listen to that audio. So, like me,
Yes.
when I read that, when I listened to that, I didn't read it. I always played the audio. I didn't listen to it even 2 days. I think I consumed it for like a week or plus. You understand? Because I like listening to it little by little and all that. So you do that, you will see. By the before you know it, you start making money by the time you get into the market. Please don't be like don't be like too lazy not to apply wisdom on the market. Do it, consume a lot of video on it. Don't always like wait for me to always come to the class. If I teach you something, go and consume a lot of video about it. You understand? There are more video on the internet. Do your analysis, play with it, play with whatever you want. By the time you open your demo account next week, then even without me, do analyzing, take trade. From there you'll be testing your ability on the market. Before you know it, you get used to it, because experience makes things easier for everyone. You understand? If you always like, I want to wait, no, consume. That was how I built mine. You understand? There are a lot of
Okay.
forex trader mentor that you will meet today. They don't care about you. They care about the money. They will teach you what they want to teach you, not what you need. They will teach you what they want to teach you, not what you need. At the end of the day, you will get into the market, you start misbehaving. But also take your time, consume a lot of things. You understand? So we'll see on Monday, okay?
Okay, boss.
Okay. I greet you, bro.
All right.